Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo wakwezonu?
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Chuku Nonso Captures. Ndibanya, Namekelonu. Apambo Chuku Nonso Captures, aka Mazi. Chakom, aka the digital makeup artist, and welcome back to another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so everybody give it up to Desiree. Give it up for Desiree. All right, so Desiree hit me up and let me know that she wanted to be gifted an Igbo name. She gave me a very detailed, very great explanation about herself. And she told me that in that explanation, she told me that she is a mental health professional. So she works in the mental health field. And she described herself as a conduit for blessings, right? She says that she helps support people, helps them reach their goals, and just accomplish whatever that they want to have manifest in their life. And she's also a conduit for blessings, right? So I thought of the perfect Igbo name for her. Ngozi. Come on, say that with me. Ngozi. Good. All right, so you ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. So Ngozi is one word and it literally means blessing. It directly translates from Igbo, from Igbo to English into blessing. And obviously I gave her that name because she said that she's a conduit for blessings in people's lives. She's a blessing to those around her, and she is a great person to be around. So Ngozis tend to be very cheerful people. They are gifted at adding value to the lives of those around them, and they're very loyal friends. Tag and share this video with all the Ngozis that you know. Thanks. All right, so what do you think? Was that a fitting name for her, Ngozi? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. Please like this video. Likes are free, so are comments. I appreciate all your support of this YouTube channel. Please continue to subscribe. Hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I'm posting a new video. And share this video with anyone who is interested in African culture, Nigerian culture, Igbo culture, or anything about the Black diaspora. So, if you would like your very own Igbo name, please send me a DM. My Instagram is linked in the description below. So basically you would describe yourself, let me know what types of things you want to manifest into your life, what your relationship with God is like, what your parents want for you, and just what your loved ones would like to see manifest in your life, as well as what you would like to see manifest in your own life. And if there was any interesting or notable events around your birth that could kind of shape what your destiny would be, or the meaning or the symbolism behind your birth and your entry into this world, right? If you're Igbo, please hit me up as well too, and I can feature your name on the next Igbo Name of the Day. But yeah, thanks a lot. I appreciate everyone's support of this YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care.